I'm the lead on the Asset Integrity Task Group under the Asset Stewardship Taskforce committee. We're working a project at the moment where we're looking at problematic areas within the asset integrity space, and we've got a number of duty holders that have all come together to see how we can solve them. What are the things that we can do to help good asset stewardship in the basin?
I'm part of the steering committee for this group, which links it all the way back into the OGA, MER UK boards and task forces. We've got some pretty good connections out now into step change and safety and into Oil and Gas UK, so it's designed to be collaborative, even in terms of the actual structure, governance and oversight that we put together. And now we're seeing that beginning to kind of resonate now down into the other organisations. We've got the HSE in the room, we've got lots of operators in the room, and some MD level folks have come along this morning to share their insights from the organisations that they represent. So really good engagement so far.
Some of our challenges have been around in the industry for a long time, whether it's non-intrusive inspection to corrosion under insulation or general asset integrity management. Everybody's identified that technology will play a key part in overcoming those challenges, so that's what we're trying to do today, is understand what technology is currently in use and where the gaps are, so we can help co-fund or accelerate some of those development areas.
We've got a whole bunch of folk together from all areas of industry, operators, integrity verification bodies, HSE. We're all in the room today along with the OGTC folks, step change and safety, talking about asset integrity and how we can work together on asset integrity.
The whole purpose of the technology centre being set up, and having asset integrity as one of its 5 solution centres is absolutely, I think that speaks, volumes. In terms of what role some specific themes have come out of today, that actually the Technology Centre are already pursuing. There are some things that you can tell that we're starting to emerge that we aren't pursuing. So the OGTC may help fund some of these initiatives going forward. And I really do see the OGTC's role in helping us distill down a lot of this data that we're speaking about and helping people manage that, so it's pulling out the key risks to help us understand the actions that we need to take as operators.
The issues that we have that have never been solved have been because of a lack of technology. Well, time has moved on. The world is moving around us, and you look at the horsepower that we've got inside the OGTC, the ability to be open-minded and look broader than our own industry. We've never really had that breadth of vision before. So time could be quite right for us to move on in a lot of these too difficult spaces.